because we want to hold on to these equations that are time symmetric, then to explain why time is not symmetric, we need to ask the Big Bang to have the likelihood of 1 in 10 to the 90. And that's like it's much more unlikely than this, but if you are in a living room, you can imagine that the Big Bang would have been, instead of the molecules of air being spread around the living room, they are all in one corner of the living room and very, very compressed and all stacked up in a corner of the wall and not spread around. And then the Big Bang starts, and then they start spreading around in the living room. And the problem that poses for people that study cosmology like myself is then to ask, why are all the molecules in such an unlikely state, all compressed there in the corner of my living room and not spread out all over the place? Like, it's the most likely state. What got them there? Yeah. Why? How? That's so unlikely. I'm a scientist and I want to explain the beginning of the universe. I can't understand why the molecules are all there in a corner of the living room. And this example has much bigger likelihood than this 10 to the 90. 1 in 10 to the 90 is at 1 with 90 zeros after it is a number so small in percentage that we cannot conceive of it in our minds.